Hey, my name is Mulero. I'm the distributor application specialist for Dynapac and the FIAT group here at World of Asphalt. So today we're going to talk about the DT2000. It's our 2,000 gallon tank distributor truck that we can use all AC and bitumen products inside of it. So as we walk around, you're going to notice that it's a Peterbilt. These trucks can either be Peterbilt, Kenworth, or whatever truck that you personally like to use in your fleet, as long as it meets our specific specifications for our machine on the back. So we're going to start off in the cab and show you what's different from the DT2000 and the rest of the market. You'll see right here that we have one control arm for our machine. Everything's going to be done by that one joystick. You're going to be able to work on all of the bar and all of your burners off of that one spot. Next to it, you're going to see a button actuated screen. It's not touch screen, so you don't have to worry about your truckers and users getting dirty hands all over the screen itself. It'll be easier to clean off with it on the buttons. You'll also see a third screen in there. That screen is going to be for the backup camera. All of our units come standard with a backup camera to add to the safety of this machine. So we have our sprayer here. It's going to have one nozzle instead of three. The one nozzle is going to be a cone spray, so it will be able to get the same amount of application rate as everybody else with their three. It's going to have two ergonomic handles. It's also aluminum, so it's a lot lighter than everyone else's when they use stainless steel. We're going to have 50 feet of tubing that's going to be in an auto reel setup. So you're able to take it out and put it back very fast and easy when you're on the job site, getting around the corners that the bar is unable to. So now we're going to talk about our spray bar. On the DT2000, we have only a telescopic spray bar. When your telescopic spray bar is coming out, it's going to be actuated by the same buttons that you turn on your spray tips with. So once you reach a certain point with the spray bar underneath and you've hit all of your nozzles, it will automatically start bringing it out to the correct width. Our maximum spray width is going to be 16 feet. The actual spray bar is 15.7 feet. As I said, we are going to actuate them through that cabin controls. Our minimum spray width, due to us only selecting one at a time instead of the standard three, is going to be 8 inches. That allows us to have a lot more control on our job site and an easier time making sure that it comes in and out without taking up too much or too little room. As we walk around on this side, you'll notice this large fender on the back side. This is to make sure that we're able to protect our spray bar from any sort of obstacles that are in the rear. You're also going to notice that we have all of our spray bars with a aluminum cover on top. That means that it's going to be protected from the elements and it's going to be protected from the material that you put down on the ground. So whenever your bitumen's spraying up, it's obviously going to have just a little bit of overspray. All of our components are going to be protected by that, so then you don't have to worry about any sort of mess getting underneath there. And when it's time to maintain your spray bar, you don't have to worry about any extra steps. Just take it off and you're able to get to your stuff without having to heat up product or get it off. This is going to be our central electrics cabinet. All of our electronic, pneumatic, and hydraulic components are going to be in one spot on this machine. You don't have to go around the machine searching all day and night to try to find your one wire harness. All of it's going to be back here, easily accessible via these two nuts. As you look up top, that's our backup camera that's going to be standard on all of our units. As we walk around the side, you're going to see some steps on this side of the spray bar. These steps are going to allow you to access the operator's platform. We are the only ones that have an operator's platform, making it safer for our users. You're going to notice 3 points of contact with the handrails that we have here. You're also going to notice up top that we have our manhole cover towards the rear of our machine. That allows for faster access if you're loading in from the top. Coming around here, we have our one diesel burner. It's only going to be a diesel burner. It's going to have the same DPUs that all of our competitors have. It's going to be very comparable with only one instead of two. It's going to be a 6-inch wide tubing. It's going to go down the whole machine, make a U-turn, and come back out to the exhaust port. With our diesel burner being so low and it only being one, we can get a lot more material out of our machine due to the safety switch that's on it that will not allow you to have too little material. Another thing that you'll see back here is our internal pump. The reason why we have it internal is so then when you are circulating your material and heating it up inside of your tank, it is able to heat up without any external heating. That means instead of heating up your tank, then heating up your pump, then heating up your spray bar, it's 2 motions. Heating up your pump and tank at the same time, then heating up your spray bar, and you're ready to work. Right here, we're going to have our suction and drainage. This is where you can load from the ground. On the other side, we have a push valve where you're able to take the material from this tank and put it into another one, or use this as a transfer vehicle where it goes in the suction and through the filter and back out to the other side. Over here, you're going to see our diesel and hydraulic tanks. They're going to be 21 gallons, both of them. We have our own diesel tank, so you don't have to worry about taking diesel from the cab and the chassis. They're both going to have independent tanks, so you're able to work longer and better. Now, one more thing is the cleaning function on this machine. So everybody usually works with cleaner or diesel to make sure that all of the material inside of the spray bar is cleaned out after they do the suck back. On this machine, you do not have to use any sort of cleaner or diesel. We have an air pump that's going to have pressurized air go through all of our nozzles, all of our spray bar, all of our hoses back into the tank. It will make sure that there is nothing left in any of your nozzles, spray bar, hoses, so that way the next day when you come on the job, you just need to circulate and start spraying. There's no worry about heating anything up. It takes 3 minutes for bitumen emulsion, it takes 5 minutes for AC. Once you do that, it's all accessible through the cabin. You press one button, you wait your few minutes, then you're good to go. You're all clean, ready to head to the next job site.
For the latest in construction equipment, sign up for our daily newsletter. Just click the link below.